My name is Anne Cousineau. I'm 74 years old and I'm retired.
And my name is Emile Cousineau. I'm 77 and I'm retired also.
We use the Roadloft as often as we can. Our favorite activities when we go out with the Roadloft is just to be able to park anywhere. We get to picnic in all kinds of places. We get to eat out as restaurants. We get to see beautiful territories that we don't see because we have a small van that's completely equipped, and we can just go everywhere and anywhere. We're free.
My favorite part of Roadloft is that we can set it up in no time. It's easy to get in and out. I just have to turn around and tell her that let's go, we're going somewhere, picnic or something, and Roadloft is always ready when we need it.
Well, an anecdote with the Roadloft is the fact that we can just take off with the Roadloft, full equipped, and then we go to a tergo, and then we get to see our producers of Quebec or Canada, and we get to enjoy the people that supply us our foods and everything every day.